What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. And today, in that market went on a wild ride. When I say a wild ride, that market was up, it was down, it was all around. So, over here at Printer Gang Investments, you know, we consolidated, some of our remaining calls, you know what I'm saying? Did a little bit of trading, made a little bit of money off some puts, a little bit of money off some calls. Actually lost a little bit of money on some puts and some calls throughout the day. So we up 251 on the day so far, and I'm gonna show y'all every position, man. So as far as Palantir position, man, we added a share and some change today, so we up to almost 95 shares, 94.89 shares of Palantir. Definitely trying to keep adding to that. We moved the puts this morning because the stock rolled up. But then if I held it to a certain time, the puts would have been down. I would have been up. Then it went back up. So it was just kind of crazy. I kind of just played it calm today. Got a QQQ put here that I was trading. I made like 20-30%, like twice off of it. Rolled it. Current was down 41%. But in this market, it could turn around at any second. So we just held it. It's whatever. Tesla. They did a little bounce today. They still going through their pain. We still trying to add to Tesla. Bought some today. Same with the SPY. SPY getting real. We down 6.47% on the SPY. So adding to that. Vistra had a little bounce back. Walmart. I need to add to Walmart. Forgot about that today. Let's see. Oklo still down. Nvidia had a little bounce today. A much needed bounce, as they say. MicroStrategy still down. IBIT, I think I did add the IBIT. No, I don't think I added the IBIT today. IBM took a little hit. They finally about flat for me. Then we got the rest of the Mag 7 down. Google, Amazon. It's just this Trump situation. Everybody is stressing this Trump situation right now. They saying it's one of the craziest presidential decisions they've ever seen. But at Printer Gang Investments, we can't, argue about the politics. We can only react to them. So, it is what it is. Let's go over some of these stocks, man, and let's talk about what we gonna do next. Let's see. So, yeah. So the QQQ was flat and the SPY was down. You see, we deviating. And at one point, the QQQ was up a lot. At one point, it was down. Palantir is up 2%. At one point, it was up 5%. At one point, it was down. Like, everything was very, very mixed. It was actually a quite confusing day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Tesla was up 3.7%. Supermicro was up 10%. Broadcom was up 3%. Apple was down 3%, though. So it's like the market, it's kind of doing its own thing. It's not really following, like all the stocks aren't following the same path. People just starting to get confused. But mostly, we was up. A lot of stocks were up today. Salesforce was up. Coinbase was up. Let's see, Fubo, all types of stocks was up. Robinhood was up today. So, I don't think the sell-off's over yet unless Trump comes to a conclusion or the other countries come to some sort of agreement. But until then, we're just going to be trading, trying to add our positions because that's how you make money in these situations, building bigger positions. Let's go through a few charts. Let's see what Palantir did on their daily today, man. So we finally bounced off equilibrium. That's where it was. That was the bounce point. We shall see. Obviously, we are not out the woods yet. We got plenty of range to recover. We've been breaking every level, with Trump doing what he's doing. But we bouncing off equilibrium for now, provided we don't get any bad news. And we got like more data coming out this week. If none of that go bad, we could continue this bounce. But, if you're not like adding leaps, I would kind of be careful here. With that, let's look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla, man. Well, look like they hit that next level we said at 218, 221. Went there, fell down, bounced. And they still look like it's a rocky road ahead. If I was shorting, I'd look at 242 and just short it again. We're going to see what happens with Tesla. Like I say, Tesla is going to be a very interesting case because the business itself is declining. There's a fundamental change in the business. So at this point, it's basically a bet on full self-driving and robots. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see can they bounce here. If they were to continue to fall, I would want to see it break this whole area and be at like 179 before I would short it again, at least from a long-term point of view. So that's where I'm at with Tesla. And, last but not least, let's look at this QQQ, man. So, the technicals say QQQ supposed to fall straight to the abyss. Technicals say QQQ's falling straight to the abyss. But, I mean, if we don't get any good news, it probably is falling straight to the abyss. But they're trying to make a low. They're trying to make a low. Pre-market yesterday was supposed to be Judgment Day, but that did not happen. So I'm quite interested to see where we're going to go from here. Like I say, from a technical point of view, we're supposed to keep falling. So if we get bad news or no good news and you see like a breakdown on the chart, that might be the entry you want to take. But the way I'm looking at it is we just got to play it cool, stick to our key positions, and stick to our guns during this Trump sell-off. I know this YOLO update's actually a little short because, it was just a choppy day, man. We didn't do all that much. We did do some trading, but nothing too crazy. Won some, lost some, about flat. Nothing too crazy. Definitely bought some more shares, Palantir, Nvidia, Tesla, you name it, the SPY. And we're going to be back tomorrow with another YOLO update. If they give us a clear date, maybe we'll be able to get some more trades in, you know what I'm saying? But until then, y'all just hang on. This dip ain't going to last forever. And we're going to keep trying to print this money. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.